Next one. Next one. Shift gears a little bit and go back to what we normally talk about. Go back to what we normally talk about. A little stretch. Woo-wee. All right. So we've done a lot of news. You know what? Let's get one more thing. Let's get one more thing in there. Got a little bit of time today. I'm in early. So let's see. We're gonna talk about a little bit about robotics. I love robotics. This one's gonna be quick. Backstory. Amazon, I think since 1997 or whatever, has been going in strong. But at the end of the day, a lot of people don't realize with Amazon, Jeff Bezos' thing is he ultimately wants a lot of robots to run his stuff along with people. But the future of Amazon, I believe, back in the day, he said he wanted Amazon to be literally a floating, like a floating island in the sky where Amazon is like big. So if you want anything, you can get it through Amazon. And you know what? I don't blame them, because listen, if people are going to Mars, if people are gonna live on the moon and all that stuff I love futuristic stuff. So yo, that's gonna be part of the channel. I'm gonna be talking about that. Alright? So don't hate on me. You don't like it, peace. Anyways. But while you're here, like, subscribe. I appreciate you. Alright? So, let me get some I'm gonna get some coffee. Yeah, so AI is the future, robotics is the future. It's inevitable. It's going to happen, right? It's going to happen. So anyways, let's pin off to this wonderful newscaster right here. And by the way, guys, bam, there we go. There's no more fuzzies. I don't know how, but yo, we good. We've been going strong, man. I guess I gotta do this earlier so I can get good reception. But yeah, so Amazon. Let's get back to scheduled program. Amazon. All right. What is that? Is that a rubber shirt? I mean, not a rubber shirt. What am I talking about? What's that word I'm looking for? Leather? That's pretty cool. All right, cool. Let's go.
Planning to replace more than 500,000 jobs with robots. Sam is here with the...
Wait, what? Damn. 600,000 jobs with robots. Wow.
Details. What's the company saying here?
It's a lot of numbers, big numbers, Lindsay. This is a big deal. Could be one of the biggest workplace...
Oh, golly, I spoke too soon. It's fuzzy again.
Automations in modern history. Now, there are concerns this morning that Amazon, it's the second largest private employer in the country, as Lindsay said, is hoping to replace more than 500,000 new jobs with robots. Now, here's how this would work. The New York Times, citing internal documents, is reporting that Amazon expects sales to double by 2033. That type of growth would normally require about 600,000 more workers, but the company is reportedly looking to fill those new jobs with robots and ultimately hopes to automate 75% of its entire operations. Now, Amazon also reportedly estimates that automation could help save it more than 12...
Ooh, the fuzzy's gone. Yes. Hey, listen, if you're not new to this, you know what it is. But if you are, Listen, I give an applause because whenever I play these videos, normally they're pixelated. I don't know why. But OBS right now that I'm using is online. It uses the online service to have you guys see it live. So there's a lot of system being pushed in the background. So because of that, my videos will tend to look fuzzy. Also, when you're using a computer or laptop, that's not too big in memory and gigabytes and all that. It's hard. It's hard. So it is what it is, right? It's fuzzy's leaving. So yeah. So whenever I do this, that means the video's getting back to normal. So let's go.
$12 billion with a B dollars from 2025 to 2027. That's just in 2 years. In a statement, Amazon said the leaked documents reflect the perspective, this is a quote, of just one team and don't represent our overall hiring strategy. They add that the company is actively hiring and plans to fill about 250,000 positions for the holiday season, but it does not kind of address the whole idea of automation.
Oh, that is a big change. And it's happening everywhere, not.
Yeah, she's right. She's right. Hold on, let me go. Let me pin off to me. Pin off to me real quick. Bam. Bam. All right, so like she said, it's happening everywhere. Automation is big. It's big. One of the sad part about automation is a lot of jobs is being lost because of this. It's sad. It's sad. Even YouTubers are getting replaced by automation. There's automated what do you call it? What's that thing called? AI that will take your likeness and use your likeness to actually do videos. For most people it's good, especially if you're on vacation. You can automate a couple videos and get it going, and then you're done. You come back, hey, it's the real me. It is what it is, right? It is what it is, right? So at the end of the day, there's nothing you can do about it. But yeah, man, Amazon is doing big stuff. Amazon is not playing. When it comes to innovation, Amazon is where it's at. But yeah, it's sad that a lot of people are going to be losing their jobs. And we hope that, at least, but Amazon is always innovating, growing. I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna find something for these people, because at the end of the day, Amazon just wants to grow. They're the juggernauts, man. Like it's Amazon. There's nothing you could do about it. They're huge. They're bigly huge. And one thing I like about Amazon, in case you guys didn't know, hit on the link in the description, right? If you want something you're purchasing something from Amazon, click on my link. I am affiliated, right? But at the end of the day, there's not much you can do. Amazon wants to move, innovate, but a lot of times I notice the people that they've been letting go are mostly people who are like really, really high up. They've been keeping a lot of the regular workers, and yeah, that's good on their part. But don't think this is just one location. This is like probably multiple locations, because Amazon is worldwide right now, I think. Man, they're the juggernauts.